Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart HONOR X7d. Okay, so all we need to do is launch the power menu. Actually, we have two methods how we can do it. First option is through the settings, just like I have said, and the second one is called the force restart. And the second option is recommended, for example, when our device is frozen, lagged, and basically when we cannot do something. But let's begin with the first method. To reboot this device using the power menu, we need to launch it first. So click power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now all you need to do is to simply tap the restart button. After that, our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be turned on automatically. That's the first method. When it comes to the force restart, we also need to use the power button, but now we need to hold it and also hold the volume down button. So we need to keep holding both buttons. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot, sometimes it happens, but now we need to simply keep holding until our device turns off. Alright, when it vibrates and when the HONOR logo appears, we can release our fingers, and now we just need to simply wait until our device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.